How to blur video background in CapCut. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So for that, first thing you can do is select up a video. And once you've selected the video that you would like to blur, it will be placed like this. So all you gotta do is simply tap on overlay from the options in the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on overlay, tap on add overlay. And then select the same video that we had just imported. So tap on add and it will be placed like this. Place it in the similar ratio. Once it is placed, all you gotta do is from the button, once selected it, so from the bottom, you should be finding different editing options. Scroll right until you get an option of remove background. Tap on it. And we have this auto removal option. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, it will start auto removing the video of one of the overlaid videos. So wait for the overlay video to be cut out first. So once the video is cut out, you may tap on right and you should be finding it like this. So all you gotta do is head back and you may look for the blur option. For that, tap on effects and then tap on video effects. After that, go ahead and search for blur and locate up the blur that you would like to add. For example, this, like this, and you should be finding the background being blurred. So you can also change up the ratio of your blur, adjust it, otherwise replace it in other options also. So you may just select it like this and place it till the last seconds of the video, and you should be finding the background being blurred. So that's it for now. You may go ahead and follow up this method. So actually the cutout feature is a pro feature. So if you have not purchased the pro feature, unfortunately we cannot export it. But this is how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.